The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Seneca County, Yates County, northwestern Steuben County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Newark to near Wellsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Cornell, Seneca Falls, Bath, Waterloo, Penn Yan, Benton, Urbana, Canisteo, Potter, and Wayland. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.